Welcome to the project demonstration of density based traffic light controlling system using Arduino and IR sensors. In this project we are using two IR sensors. One is here, another one is the opposite side, and also using two traffic light system. Here we can see that each traffic light system have a green light, yellow light and red light. And here we can see the Arduino board, and also we are using adapter for the power supply. Here we can see it which we takes 230 volts of AC and will give 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this Arduino Uno board. Then Arduino Uno board will divide equal power to the IR sensors also, and also it will give power to this traffic light system. So here I am giving the power supply. So if this IR sensor is not detected by any vehicle, so every 3 seconds it will be changed automatically. So if it is here is a red light, then opposite will be a green light. If there is any red light, then opposite will be a green light. So if there is no any object, then automatically it will change within 3 seconds of duration. If any vehicle or object detected by this IR sensor, so these lights will be changed 6 seconds duration. So let will see. For example, imagine that this is a vehicle. If vehicle is detected by this sensor, so here we can see the 6 seconds of duration. Then automatically it will be changed. In 6 seconds of duration, vehicle will be moved. And other side, here we can see. So now it will be 6 seconds duration. Then automatically it will give red light to the opposite side. So if there is no object will be detected by this IR sensor, so it will be change the light system within 3 seconds of duration. If any object will be detected or vehicle will be detected by these IR sensors, then it will be given 6 seconds of duration. In this way this project will be works. Thanks for the watching.